Hey, this is Marvin with American Rooter, and we are here in Berkeley. We're about to unclog the storm drain that's running outside to the street. As you can see, we have the big snake here, and we're going to run it out, all right? It's Marvin with American Rooter. Let's get started. Okay, so this drain here, when the rain comes, it gets clogged up because it's a lot of debris. So what we're going to do, we're going to snake it on out to the street. And as it comes out to the street, it should go through this hole here. This is the hole we wanted to come out. So right now it is clogged up from here on back. All right, so let's get started. So the water is drained, and let's go to the other side and take a look.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, so as we can see, the snake ran through the hole here, and that's the end of the cable. So we're gonna have Craig run some water to see if we can get some water draining here. Okay, so everything is draining. Everything looks clean here. Water is flowing through. Storm drain is back open. All right, so we're good to go here. It's Marvin with American Rooter. Thank you.